This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hi! Today, we're going to read short U and long U words. Remember, vowels can be either short or long. A long vowel says its name. A short vowel does not. The letter U is a vowel. When you see one U in a word followed by consonants, the U usually makes the short vowel sound like in g, hug. But if the letter U is followed by a consonant and a silent E, then the silent E makes the U say its name, like in mule. In mule, the long U sound is U, but the long U sound can also be oo, like in flute. U can also make the long U sound when it is part of the vowel team UE, like in fuel. In this word, the U says its name and the E is silent. Great! Now let's practice reading some short and long U words and matching them to pictures. This picture shows the word run. In this word, the vowel U is followed by a consonant and a silent E, so it makes the long U sound ooh. Ooh. Rune. That's not the word we're looking for. Here, the U is followed by just a consonant, so it makes the short U sound. Run. This word matches the picture. This is a tube. Which word matches the picture? In this word, the U is followed only by a consonant, so the vowel sound is b, tub. Here, the vowel U is followed by a consonant and a silent E, so U says its name. Ooh. Oob. Tube. This word matches the picture. This is clue. Which word matches the picture? In this word, the vowel U is followed by just a consonant, so the vowel sound is k. B. Club. Here, the vowel U is followed by an E. Together, UE can make the long U sound. Ooh. K. Ooh. Clue. This word matches the picture. Great work! Keep practicing reading words with short and long vowel sounds.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.